My journey with Six Physio was amazing. They really helped me 5 years ago when I had an arthroscopy on my right knee. And so this time I had a knee replacement and I wanted to go back to Six Physio because that's where the place I knew best. Having a home physio, thanks, was really, really lucky, especially to have someone like Ali. She gave me lots of confidence that I can do it and things will get better. I had an infection, and if it wasn't for Ali, she was quite persistent calling the clinic, and she basically saved me from having sepsis. Ali is amazing. There is no one like her professionally, and she really talks to you like we are friends, and she's really, really amazing. I'm feeling much better now, the way I feel during the physio, because I can do things that I never thought I could when I left the hospital. So the home physio and going to the clinic now, it made a big difference.